Welcome to General Knowledge Study Circle. Please like and subscribe channel. Question number 1. What is the national sport of China? Answer: table tennis. Question number 2. Which instrument is used to measure atmosphere pressure? Answer: barometer. Question number 3. Headquarters of ISRO is located at? Answer: Bangalore. Question number 4. In which state Napier Museum is located? Answer: Kerala. Question number 5. What is the highest peak of Aravalli Hills? Answer: Guru Sikar at Mount Abu. Question number 6. Name of the first bank of India. Answer: Bank of Hindustan. Question number 7. Percentage of nitrogen in air. Answer: 78%. Question number 8. Which gland of human body secretes bile juice? Answer: liver. Question number 9. In which state Konya Dam located? Answer: Maharashtra, India. Question number 10. What is the name of world's longest mountain range? Answer: Andes in South America. Question number 11. Name the branch of biology which deals with the study cell. Answer: cytology. Question number 12. What is the old name of Singapore? Answer: Singapura. Question number 13. First animal to go into space orbit. Answer: dog, Laika. Question number 14. Bandhavgarh National Park is situated in which state? Answer: Madhya Pradesh. Question number 15. What are number of balls in a snooker game? Answer: 22 balls. Question number 16. HAL Aerospace Museum is located in which state? Answer: Bangalore. Question number 17. Who has started Murthy Devi Literature Award? Answer: Bharatiya Gnanpith Trust. Question number 18. The Sharda Act was related to? Answer: Indian marriage arrangement. Question number 19. When was the Indian Army formed? Answer: 1847. Question number 20. In which place is Delhi in greenery in the country? Answer: 4th place. Question number 21. Vallabhacharya is the founder of which community? Answer: Specialism. Question number 22. Delhi is situated on the banks of which river? Answer: Yamuna river. Question number 23. Which Gupta king was also known as Vikramaditya? Answer: Chandragupta II. Question number 24. Which one of the following planets takes the maximum time for an orbit around the Sun? Answer: Jupiter. Question number 25. In which of these following states the Kanheri caves are located? Answer: Maharashtra. Question number 26. Who directed India's first publicity screened cinema Raja Harchandra? Answer: Dada Sahib Phalke. Question number 27. Amogha Varsha was related to which dynasty? Answer: Rashtrakuta. Question number 28. Where is our national symbol taken from? Answer: from the Ashoka pillar situated in Sarnath. Question number 29. When did Muhammad Ghori invade India for the first time? Answer: 1175. Question number 30. The chairman and other members of UPSC appointed by? Answer: President of India. Question number 31. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the Election Commission? Answer: Article 324. Question number 32. In which language original Lok Sabha debates are printed? Answer: Hindi and English. Question number 33. The minimum age of the voter in India is? Answer: 18 years. Question number 34. Who will be the next chairman of NABARD? Answer: G.R. Chintala. Question number 35. Which ministry recently launched a national level awareness program 2020? Answer: Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Question number 36. Who has been named EY Entrepreneur of Year 2019? Answer: Kiran Mazumdar Shah. Question number 37. Madhubani painting is associated with which of the following states? Answer: Bihar. Question number 38. The atomic power station in Rajasthan is situated at? Answer: Rawatbhata. Question number 39. Which animal is protected under the Wildlife under Act 1972? Answer: Porcupine. Question number 40. In which game Ranji Trophy is given to the players? Answer: cricket. Question number 41. What is the term of office of a temporary member of the UN Security Council? Answer: 2 years. Question number 42. Who is the author of the book The Google Story? Answer: David A. Weiss. Question number 43. Which state government has started a new rural housing project called Maha Awas Yojana? Answer: Maharashtra government. Question number 44. World Doordarshan Day is celebrated on which of the following day? Answer: 21st November. Question number 45. Which of the following countries has been chaired by the meeting of G20 countries to be held in 2023? Answer: India. Question number 46. To whom has the Sports Ministry given the status of sports? Answer: Yogasana. Question number 47. Which of the following Indian origin woman has been appointed by US elected President Joe Biden for his wife Jill Biden? Answer: Mala Adiga. Question number 48. What is the age of the International Cricket Council to debate in international cricket? Answer: 15 years. Question number 49. Which country has formally removed itself from the Free Sky Monitoring Treaty? Answer: America. Question number 50. On which of the following days in the world Matsya Day observed? Answer: 21st November.